What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video, and yet again another mad dash video to try to get you information about now the Google Home Hub. So the Google Home Hub, and again, apologies because I'm going to be looking off the camera here at the actual script that I have. The Google Home Hub is a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, basically Google Home unit. Think an old style Android like tablet on top of a little bit of a speaker. That's essentially what you're getting out of this. It's like, I was surprised at how much smaller the Google Home Hub was, and I'm not sure what I was ready for comparing myself to, but I kind of thought it was going to be roughly the size of a Google Home Max, and it is definitely not even remotely close to that size at all. Some of the cool things that I actually like about it, it has a new interface that has like the most popular Google services. You can actually use this to show photos from photo albums and things like that, or just, hey, I need to learn information about what my day is like. Saw a very cool presentation where somebody had mentioned like, hey, just saying good morning, it gives you your traffic patterns, your weather, and any meetings that you might have in your day. So there's no camera in this, which is something that I actually really like, because you could use this in, let's say, a sensitive area, maybe like a bedroom or maybe a bathroom, I suppose. But they specifically said that they did not put a camera in this with intent. So I really appreciate the idea. They talked about security quite a bit at this keynote. So it doesn't surprise me that it doesn't have a camera. So it's going to come in 4 different colors, which is sand, aqua, chalk, and charcoal. The hub introduces Home View, which shows dashboards of the entire smart home. This is something that I'm really interested in, because when they showed the presentation, they had a whole bunch of different smart home tech. And as you know from my channel, I've done a ton of smart home tech. I just said my channel, but Greg is also included. Sorry, Greg. So it looks like this Home Hub app integrates all of that, LifeX, Sonos, Hue, all of these different things to where you can go inside the Google Home app. So it will be updated for those on the Pixel line. You'll be able to see this same view. So the update for the Pixel 2, and folks, is going to be in a few weeks. It's today. If you just happen to get your hand on a Pixel 3, I don't really know how you would do that leaving this event. It also has ambient EQ, which uses sensors to adjust the screen brightness, so it's not like hella bright in the middle of the night. It actually quiets itself down the way it's supposed to. It uses voice match to make sure that you personalize that experience. So if you're accustomed to filming with Home right now as it is, and you've matched your voice, they said 85% of the people who use Home have matched their voice, so that doesn't surprise me that they have that. It has multi-room audio. It has a downtime mode, that way you don't actually interact with it all the time. Let's say you set the hours from like 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. No one can interact with that and turn it on or off, so that's kind of an interesting feature. Real quickly, the price on this is actually $149. I was really surprised about the price. I think it's a great price point. It is basically just a little bit more expensive than a regular Google Home size right now, but it just comes with a screen. So I really like the entry point of $149. So I will definitely take that. That's it. That's a quick first look at the Google Home Hub. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. We will see you next time.